Hello guys. Dito tayo sa labas. Iniwanan ko sila ni Johan doon. Dahil kami ni Deepak, may bibilhin kami sa Big Mart. Mabilis lang kami guys. Daming bata dito. Iniwan namin doon sila. Baka gagawa ako ng siopaw. Titingnan natin. Si Deepak ang kasama ko. As usual, nauna na naman sa akin. Alam niyo naman yan. Magbi-birding pa yan siya. Daming tanim ng bahay na ito guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang cute pa ng gate nila. Oh. Diba? Doble ang gate nila. Ang dami nilang halaman sa loob. So dito tayo nag long cut. Hindi na long cut kung hindi shortcut. Yan. So hindi ko ba alam kasi kung ano yung pa-i-snacks natin sa kanila ano. Gusto nilang bumisita kay Johan kasi gusto nilang maglaro. Bukas may mga pasok na sila. Tayo guys, kuha ako dito ng sabon for washing the soup. Tayo. Let's go. And then here. What? Yun guys, kakatapos lang namin. Alam nyo ba ano ang ginawa ko? At ang binili namin ni Deepak doon, cream ko lang guys sa mukha. Bumili ako doon. At saka, mabilisan kaming bumalik ni Deepak. At saka bumili ako ng mga sabong gagamitin ko dito sa kusina. Yun lang, mabilis lang kami. At saka 1 kilong mangga. Ang mahal na ng mangga. Kung saan pa yung, ewan ko, nag-145 na dito. Sa amin banda, 130. Pero hindi man ako bumili ng mga ilang araw kasi nga may mangga ako. Inubos ko na lang yon yung natira ko sa mango float. At saka, ginawa namin lassi. Kahapon ni Kanchi, tapos today, bumili kami ni Deepak ng 1 kilo. Ngayon, ginawa ko siya na lassi. Pinili ko yung ripe, 1 kilo. Yun, puro ripe ang kinuha ko. Yun ang hinisnacks namin. Tapos na yan, hinugasan ko ng mga baso namin. Ngayon, ang binili ko na lang kasi sana, sabi ko kay Deepak, gagawa sana ako ng siopaw. Sabi ng Deepak, wag na kasi matrabaho na naman yan. Sabi ko, o nga no, kasi tapos ang init pa. Sabi niya, next time na lang, next time. Nagmamadali kami ni Deepak kasi nga magbe-birthday siya. Ngayon ang nangyari guys, tingnan nyo. Grabe yung pawis ko kasi nga ang init, sobra. Pagdating dito guys, dumilim talaga bigla. Sabi ko kay Deepak, kita mo yung weather dito? Sabi ni Deepak, nice weather. Sabi pa niya sa akin. Nangiinis pa siya sa akin, guys. Sabi ko, ang mga tao ngayon nagkakasakit gawa nga nito. Sabi niya. Sabi ko, tingnan mo, pagdating namin dito sa bahay, nagmadali akong gumawa ng lassi kasi bumagsak. Grabe, bumagsak ang totong ulan, guys. Bigla. Imagine yung grabe yung pawis ko, grabe init. Pagdating namin, sabi ko, Lord, thank you. Pagdating lang namin sa bahay, bumagsak talaga. Grabe yung ulan, guys. As in, todo bagsak. Hanggang ngayon, umuulan siya, hinay-hinay lang. Tapos, nagmadali-dali ako gawa ng lassi. Kasi nga, parang yung mga bata, kasi baka mag-brown out. At gumawa ako, ubos nila, guys. Tapos, bumili kami ni Deepak ng donuts. Yung donuts, 1 dosena. Naiwan, 3 piraso, kain sila. Ngayon, lumabas na naman yung 2 kaibigan ni Johan. Bibili daw sila ng gusto nilang kainin. May mga pera naman yung mga baon, mga yan. At si Deepak, dahil sa ulan, nagbihis na siya. Hindi na siya nakaalis. Pag ganitong klaseng ulan, hindi na ito magtigil yan kasi hinahinay lang na ulan ba. Biglang bagsak, tapos biglang hinahinay. Tayo, nag-mic ako, hindi pa pala naka-on itong mic natin. Props na lang ito, props. Dahil nga, dito. Nasira ako guys yung yung isang sakit namin sa itaas kasi nahugot ko ba. Tapos nalaglag siya, nabasag. Ayan guys, maulan pa rin. Maulan-ulan pa rin guys. Mahina nga lang. Half-half yung kalangitan natin. Maulan. Dami nilang order na Bermuda nila ni Day dami nilang order. Okay guys, nakita niyo si Yuhan. Umalis na ang kanyang mga friends. Isang lugar lang ang mga friends niya. Sabi niya, Mama, mayroon pa bang mango float? Sabi ko, mayroon pa. Pero hindi ka kasi pwedeng kumain, anak. Sabi ko, ako lang ang kakain nun. Sabi ko, mayroon pa konti kasi nga binigay ko sa kanila ni Indira kahapon yung half na part nito. Ito na lang yung natira guys. Wala na. Last na lang ito. Sabi ko, tikman ko muna bago ko ibigay sa'yo. Wala na, at least naubos na. Alam nyo guys, iba pa rin yung homemade na condense kasi wala lang, parang matansya mo yung katamisan. Ubos na. Hindi ako magluluto. Baka makalimutan ko. Makain ko. Ibibigay ko yan kay Yuhan. Ito pala yung headset na binili ni Deepak. Mga 5,000 rupees ito binili niya. Kasi sa trabaho niya. Meron kaming hindi pa dito na itry. Tingnan natin. O, tingnan nyo guys. Nice! Isara ko para makita nyo yung kulay. Actually, iba yung hinahanap niya na headset. Iba yung nabili niya kasi pang gaming ito eh. Diba? So, ayan. Ayan o. May kulay siya. Ganda no? Pang gaming pala ito. Ang hinahanap niya sana yung plain lang. Kaso, ito yung na-available ang nabili. We cannot adjust the color, anak? Na may mic pa kasi pati ito. Ayan, pati mic. Ginagamit ko ito pag, for example, hinihiram ko. Kung may ginagawa si Yuhan or medyo maingay, yung ganon, o may mga pinapanood sila sa TV, ito yung ginagamit ko. Na? Tanggalin natin. Yan. Yan na guys, nag-start na siya guys. 40,000 steps daw. Every day? Every day? 40,000 steps. Walking lang siya. Hindi siya nagra-running. Kahit sa labas, walking lang. Kasi, hindi man siya mataba guys. Everyday talaga yan siya. Tapos, morning walking siya sa outdoor. Morning, outdoor. Pag ganito, ito. Alam nyo guys, siguro 2 times lang ako gumamit dito. Oh my God, hindi siguro ako sanay. Pag after ko nung gumamit, nahilo talaga ako guys. Feeling ko guys, yung dalawa kong mga paa, parang binubuhat guys mo. Hindi siguro ako sanay ba? Baka nanibago yung katawan ko kasi mag-warm up ka muna, tapos, diba? Tapos bigla akong sumabak dyan. Parang feeling ko guys, itong dalawang paa ko guys, parang feeling ko may nagbubuhat. Before, I walk, natatawa na si Deepak. Twice only I use, after I use the treadmill, I feel like someone lifting my 2 legs like this. Oo guys, parang may nagbubuhat itong dalawa kong paa na may gumanon talaga. Oh, may ganun. Hindi pa ba ako naglalakad? Parang naglalakad na yung, I'm not walking it, but I feel like my 2 legs already walking. Hindi na siguro ako nasanay ba na nagbilis ako dyan na maglakad. After ako talaga nung bumaba ako, feeling ko guys, nahilo talaga ako na parang, luka-luka pa naman ako. Okay guys, si Yuhan, sabi niya, Mama, may magic ako para sa'yo. Okay,
what is your favorite animal?
What is my favorite animal?
Wait, I will first write it. I'll try to guess it. Now I wrote.
You'll try to guess it?
Yeah.
Oh, you can read my mind?
Yeah.
You can read my mind.
Okay, don't open until I tell you, okay? Just put it here.
Oh, guys. Guys, alam nyo ba guys? Teka lang, of course, I'm going to tell them. You know what is my favorite animal that he don't know?
Now you can tell to me.
I can tell to him.
You should not open this one.
Okay, guys, my favorite
This is all
animal
my guess here.
is elephant. So, he said he already right here because he can read my mind.
Okay, your favorite color?
Okay guys, alam nyo na yung favorite color ko ha.
Your favorite color?
Okay, my favorite color aside from purple is avocado green. See, Papa, he knows green. Kasi he knows my first favorite color is avocado green.
Okay, who is your
Whoa,
favorite?
now how can...
This is the color.
This is the animal.
This is the animal.
Okay.
Oh no. Yeah.
Sure ah?
I will open myself.
Okay.
Okay,
Guys, magic niya to,
Okay.
magic. O then. Teka lang. Teka lang, parang may butik. It's like there is lizard inside my... Tawas yun. Tingnan natin. Really ha?
Okay, what is your favorite color?
Ay, baka pinalitan mo. Maybe. Guys, you are witness. Did he change or no?
Your favorite.
Now we finish. We are done.
Favorite movie. Favorite movie.
Okay,
I will-
guys.
Okay. Now tell.
My favorite movie?
Yeah.
Huh?
Favorite movie.
Walk in the Clouds. Alam ko kung sinulat niya. I think I'm the one who is I think I'm the one who is the
Okay.
magician.
Okay. Oh.
You write Wicker Park?
No.
One of my favorite
Your
movie
favorite?
and Wicker Park.
Your favorite.
Mali ata yung magician natin.
Your favorite food.
Okay, you write. Paano ba ito sabihin sa English yung favorite ko na food, guys? No, that is different. Finish na?
Wait
Ang
lang.
bagal naman ng magician na ito po. I know, puro mali yan. Sabi pa niya, oh, grabe, pag-ads ni Johan, he told me, no problem, you can show it to your viewer. Oh. So, confident si Johan. Oh. The next, this is what is my favorite food, ha?
Yeah.
Okay. Baka mali pa yung nilagay niya. Why too much? Don't tell me you will finish this one bundle of
Okay, favorite food.
favorite food, favorite animal, favorite color, favorite movie. The next.
Favorite food. What is it now? What is your
Okay.
favorite food?
Pochero. Dahil may saba, hindi niya alam. Mali na naman siya.
Your favorite. Your
Mali na naman yung magician natin, guys.
dream country. Okay.
My dream country. Papa, what is my dream country? Yung isang magician.
What is your dream country?
You write na, wala
I
pa.
already write.
Oh, then fold na para to make sure wala cheater. No cheating. Put it here na, put it here. Okay, my favorite country actually in Europe, of course, Norway is one.
What is one? Just tell me one.
Why? You have to write Scotland, Norway. Gustong-gusto ko ang mga lugar na nasa Europe. Alam may nautot. Guys, excuse me. Guys, narinig nyo? Oh my God. And now, baka may cheater. Oh, finish na?
Yeah.
Ay! This is...
Huh?
What is this one? Guys, while we are talking, the magician is writing the answer. Oh, nag-cheat siya. Anong klaseng magician ito? Okay, finish now. Oh. What is this now? Guys,
Wait,
ito na.
wait,
The final. Para yung pamangkin ni Deepak, guys, na anak ng kuya. Sabi ni June, si June yung pangalan niya. Kaki means auntie or tita.
First tell me any direction.
If she's here daw, magbibingo daw kami, maglalaro daw kami bingo. Ano yun, guys? Napaka-bubbly yun na bata.
I forgot one more question.
Ah, you are cheating! Now, guys, look! I ang magician natin, guys. Kaya never believe with the magician. Tinapon niya, guys. O kasi magsusulat ka na.
No, that is another question. That is another question.
Just to prove.
Okay.
Guys, nag-cheat ang magician
Okay,
natin.
okay. Give me. What is your favorite direction? Your favorite direction?
My favorite direction?
Up, down, left, right. Which one?
No.
Tell me.
You are making another story. I thought you are going to open. What is this?
Okay. Tell me, okay.
Anong klaseng magician to, guys?
Tell me, okay. What is your favorite? Up, down, left.
Very hot on the
Tell
left
me.
side. Oh, the
What is your favorite direction? Up, down, left, right. Which?
One direction only.
Up, down, left, right. Which one?
One direction.
Which? Right, left, or
Straight
up?
is straight.
Straight?
Yeah.
Check. Straight,
Oh.
I'm correct.
Hello, guys. Oh, see. Direction ko is straight. Ayan, okay. Ting! Tama, tama. Next.
Not this one after.
Ay, ay,
This
ay,
one up.
Okay, next.
Wait, okay.
What is this?
I will choose. Your favorite color?
I said avocado green. What you write? Oh,
Green.
really? Sinulat niya green, guys. Oh. Wow. And
You will not believe your favorite animal?
elephant. Hala, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Oh. Wow, Johan. Oh my God. I'm scared of you now.
Your favorite food?
Pochero. Hala, hindi niya to alam. Kita niyo sulat niya, Pachero? How you know, anak?
What is your favorite movie?
Maybe you are writing secretly, ha?
No, what is your
Hello,
favorite,
guys. Alam niya. Ha?
favorite movie? Favorite movie?
Walk in the clouds. Ay! Baka nilaglag niya dyan. Hello, guys. Tingnan niyo, guys, oh. How you doing this?
I was so confused now.
Maybe you are not Johan! Ah, Johan! This is you! Wala tayong lahi na magician, anak. Okay, guys. This is now Deepak and Mila challenge. Sabi niya, look at my face daw. I-hypnotize niya daw ako, guys. Tapos don't laugh.
Put the mic in.
Baka ibang espiritu, guys. Yeah. I will hypnotize you.
Remove your glass. Now you will
what?
tell whatever I write.
Whatever I
Whatever I write. See.
I-pray over kita mo. I will hypnotize you.
You will tell whatever I don't laugh. This is
I will hypnotize you. Look,
Okay.
my beautiful skin.
you, whatever I write you will tell. Okay?
Seryoso, show.
Okay, tell me one direction, up, down, right or left.
Okay, na I tell you?
Yeah.
When I tell you?
Tell me, up, down.
You're
right
not
or-
writing
I write or left.
down.
Down, okay. Okay. Don't laugh, don't laugh.
May pahipo, may paano pa siya, oh.
Don't laugh.
We should
Okay,
lower.
tell me 1 minutes of United Arab Emirates.
Okay, finish.
Tell me.
Al-Quain. Ala, you're writing. I tell you now,
What?
just...
I write here.
Are you right already?
Wait. This is.
I-hypnotize daw nila akong dalawa, guys. Hypnotize na daw ako. Tonight, you can hypnotize. No need
Now?
to- What you are writing? You are cheater.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Look at my face. You will tell whatever I write. That's
Okay.
why I.
You're looking
Tell me
in my
one
eyes.
fruit name.
I already did.
Tell me. Tell me. Look at my eyes and tell me.
Mangosteen.
No, no. Fruit name.
Huh?
Fruit.
That is fruit
No,
name.
no. Simple fruit name.
He
I know,
cannot,
I-
he cannot, hala, he cannot hypnotize me. Guys, he's looking me like beautiful eyes and then he said simple fruit name lang daw. Ayaw niya ng mangosteen kasi sinulat niya siguro
I know.
mali.
You will tell that one. I know very well. Okay. Tell me one color.
I already tell.
Tell me. Look at my eyes and tell.
Magenta. Maybe he is writing whatever I tell. It's here already.
Yeah.
Guys, tandaan nyo ha. Akala nila ma-hypnotize niya ako. We are already married for 21 years. How much hypnotize I give you and you hypnotize me? That's why Johan is...
Okay. Tell me one Tom Hanks movie.
Okay, finish.
Tell me.
Forrest Gump. He knows already, no? That's why he asked this.
Don't
I will
open.
not open. Guys, tingnan natin. Why too much this? Maybe whatever answer you are writing now.
What? I read first there, no?
okay, okay.
Advance.
He write maybe Forrest Gump because this Forrest Gump is very viral, this movie.
Okay, now
What?
the last one.
Oh.
Tell me one place in Nepal you like.
Okay. Palpa. What you are writing now?
Nothing.
Ikaw, both of you, abi, maging ano na kayo, magician. Tomorrow, I will post in Facebook. Whoever need magician, this is my husband and son.
Okay.
I feel like I bloated. I think you hypnotized me. My stomach is bloated.
Now see.
No
Check.
see, no see.
What is it? Up, down, right or left? What is it?
Down. Oh, down, guys. Maybe this is up, guys.
Down.
Guys, this arrow we can go up also, yeah?
Okay.
This is down, down. Okay, correct. Next.
And the Emirates in.
Umal Queen. Umal Queen. Umal Queen. Next. Mangosteen. Ano ba itong spelling na ito? Mangosteen? Wrong
Mangosteen.
spelling, guys. Kayo na lang. Nahirapan siya, guys. Kaya very simple na lang tayo yung spelling. Oh, yun ang ibig niya sabihin. Correct, ha? Wow.
Color?
Magenta. Yan, hypnotize nga ako ni Tipa.
And the movie?
Forrest Gump. No, you asked me about Forrest Gump, Tom Hanks
And
movie.
the place in Nepal?
Palpa. Ay, hello, guys! What?
Tantaran!
Oh my God. Naisahan na nila ako. Ano? Sa may mga alam dyan, comment down below. Bigyan nyo rin ako idea.